Hello and welcome to Leadpreneur Academy. My name is Emmanuel Bassi. I'm one of the portal admins over here at Leadpreneur Academy. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your portal. Alright, we've had a couple of questions from students inquiring to know how to log into the portal. So what you want to do is come to this URL, studyportal.leadpreneuracademy.com. Ensure that the URL is correct. So if your URL is correct and you hit go, it's going to bring you to this page where you'll be required to enter the email you used in setting up your portal. Usually it will be the email you provided to us during your registration, and then your password. If you do not know how to get this information, check the admission email that was given to you in your inbox. You will be able to find your email address and you will be able to find your password as well. So all you have to do is enter your email in this box above here, and on the password area simply type in your password like that and hit remember me. So the essence of hitting remember me is so that you would not have to come back and sign in every single time you want to access your portal. Alright, so when you're done, you just click on login. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into my portal. So if this were to be your dashboard, you would see your name here and you would see the welcome message welcoming you to your dashboard, right? And from here, if you click on view my courses, you will be able to access all the courses that are available to you. So that is how you log into your portal. I hope this short tutorial has been useful to you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your stay with us at Leadpreneur Academy. If you have any issues, do not hesitate to send us a message on the portal. We will be waiting, ready and eager to assist you in every capacity that we can. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.